This video is for our lab sources of energy. Most devices must change from one form of energy into another form of energy in order to work. So in this activity, we're going to identify the forms of energy in a wind-up toy, a solar calculator, and a handheld generator. Here is a typical wind-up toy. Let's take a look at its movement.
Here's a wind-up toy which is very helpful because it sweeps the tongue off your table. So let's get that going. What a beautiful little picture. This is good. When you wind up the Bambi, there's a lovely idea. Pops down and then gets up again. Just
Alright, so as you can see, the wind-up toys move and are given some energy, some kinetic energy. When we wind up the toy, the elastic potential energy gets stored in the spring. So right here is the spring. And as you wind, you tighten up that spring, storing up a bunch of elastic potential energy. As you let go, the spring unwinds and moves this gear that moves the rod attached to either the Bambi's legs or attached to the Bambi's tail, and that produces some kinetic energy. Next, let's take a look at the solar calculator. The solar calculator receives its energy from electromagnetic energy from a light source, either a light bulb or the sun. This type of energy travels in waves to the solar panel on the calculator. This light source produces electrical energy to power the calculator. Now let's take a look at page 2. For procedure number 2, it asks you to connect the wires of a handheld generator to each side of the socket. Turn the crank on the generator and observe what happens. Let's take a look. As you'll notice, when I turn the crank on the generator, that changed my mechanical energy into electrical energy, which then changes into heat and light energy, or electromagnetic energy and thermal energy in the light bulb. Procedure number 3 asks us to connect the wires of the generator to the battery and observe what happens. Let's take a look what happens then. As you can see, for procedure number 3, we've taken electrical energy and we've turned that into mechanical energy. The motor changes the electrical energy into mechanical energy. Take a look at your lab questions now. Rewatch the video if you need to. Answer your questions and then submit them to me. Thanks. Have a great day.